How to make a water moccasin shot. G'day there drinking buddies, it's Scotty Boxer here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes and drinks. Now if you haven't signed up to become my drink buddy, then head on over to our website and do that now so you don't miss out on all the goodies, exclusives, discounts and giveaways. Now this here is the popular Water Moccasin Shot, or cocktail as it can be served, which many of you drink buddies have been requesting for me to make. So this is it and how to make it. To make a Water Moccasin Shot, you will need 1 ounce of Canadian Whisky, 1 ounce of Peach Schnapps, 1 dash of triple sec, and 1 ounce of pineapple juice or sweet and sour. In a cocktail shaker filled with ice, add in your pineapple juice or sweet and sour, 1 ounce of Canadian Whisky, 1 ounce of Peach Schnapps, and a dash of triple sec. Give that a shake and strain into your shot glasses or martini glass. And I present to you the Water Moccasin Shot and Cocktail. Now be careful with these because a few of these is sure to sneak up and bite you, just like the deadly snake. Now if you want full details on how to make this, then check out the description down below or our website, DrinkLab.org. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos every single week. In the meantime, go out and enjoy yourself. Don't destroy yourself. Cheers. For more cocktail recipes, visit our website at DrinkLab.org, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and sign up to become our drink buddy.